Okay, you guys, I just wanted to take a second to go over the assignment. It's posted in Google Classroom, and I just wanted to talk through and just make sure you knew where the things were located. Everything we went through in that video previous is how to do it, and I just wanted to show you while you're in your own site how you go about doing this. So just talk it through real quick, everything we did. So first part is that description for your index in head content, okay? And so this one, we went into insert, HTML, okay, and head tags, and this is where the description is. Okay, so that's where you're going to put that information. Okay, and that's where you put 1 to 3 sentence description, and that would be what is on Google as that description of your site when people search for things and it pops up. Okay, so that's where you're going to do that information. All right, then the next part here says to insert keywords. I put 3 to 7, and you want to make sure that you use the correct format using those commas. These are keywords about you, about your site. When people search, that would be able to find it. So here again, I'm going to go insert, HTML, head tags, and this time I'm going to do keywords, and you would start to type in those keywords, 3 to 7 of those. I mean, if you want to do more than 7, that's fine too, but at least 3, you know, to get in there so that the better chance your site is to pop up when people would search online. Okay. Next part is that descriptive document title, and this is something we did in our first lesson way back. And so up here where it says untitled document, that's where you're going to change it to that title. So I'm going to put Mrs. Titus or something there, okay, about your name, be a little bit descriptive about yourself there. So that's where you create that document title in there. Change the color of your background. We go into modify and page properties. Modify page properties, and the main one here is our appearance. So that's where you can change your text, your background. You have a little fun with it on your index page. Remember, we're working everything on that index page here. Okay, we're not doing anything with these other pages yet. All right, so that's the change the color of background. You can do some font changes in that too if you would like. Create a navigation bar at the top of your index page underneath your banner. Okay, so you would have a banner picture in here that you created, and then you're going to create those links to those sites. Okay, you have all these other sites that I had you put in, and so we're going to have our home, space dash space. Let's do activities, space dash space, family, okay, favorites, and travel. Okay, so those are the ones you're going to put in. Remember, this is your navigation bar, and so this is the different links we need to the different sites here. So that's, I just type that in with that, the name of it, space dash space, and then I'm going to go into and select this one. I'm going to come down. I'm going to move myself here. And in this link, browse, remember I need to get to that folder. So this is my home page, which is my index. Okay. Okay, and you're going to do that for all of your links here. If I double click it, it'll select the word. If I triple click, it selects a paragraph. So double click for activities, link it by browsing, activities, okay, and so on and so forth on your assignment. Okay, and then the next part here is create links to all your pages. Okay, we just did that on our navigation bar we're creating here. Create a rollover effect on your navigation bar by changing the color of the links. So this is where you get to have a little fun again. And so let's go to modify page properties, and I'm going to go to links. Okay, so link color, rollover links. You can do some visited, change some of this stuff however you want. Remember to apply and okay, so change it the colors so it fits your theme or the color scheme of your website. Just make sure it's easily visible to see the links and different stuff, but you need to make sure you do that rollover effect here. Okay, so that's where we want to be for this one. Okay, and then I'm gonna remove this from the rubric here before I post it, but we'll go on to this insert your name, address, and phone number. So I showed you how to do that in the video where you would put your name, and remember you need to use line breaks. So mine would say Mrs. Titus, and then I would hold Shift Enter, and then I would put, you know, Fargo North High School, and then I'd put the address of the school, so on and so forth, my school phone number, and then you can put your school email there too, or just say email me in the text. So let's do that. So I'll just go Shift Enter, email me. Okay. And then we need to create this point of contact. And notice how I here put use school information, not personal. So you could put the school address, school phone, and then email me. Remember, we want to make this a point of contact. And so I am going to, I'm going to make sure it's highlighted, and I'm going to go up to insert, and I want to do an email link. Okay, email me, and this was my old one that I showed you in the video. So then this would be Titus K at Fargo Schools. Okay, and you can just put in your school email there. So now it's hyperlinked. Okay, and if you changed your color scheme, that would be changed to as well here. Okay, and then so that was inserting the point of contact using an email link. And then lastly, you're going to do that last updated. So I'm going to go down, copyright 20. Okay, and then I'm going to do the line break, shift enter, and I'm going to put last updated on. Okay, and here's where I'm going to insert that date. Okay, and you can pick your format however you want that way. Okay, and so there it is. All right, so I just wanted to go through those steps for you as you go through your assignment. And then if you have questions, we'll be together again later this week. Thanks, guys.